Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I remain your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and today in this brand new video I'll be showing you how to create a prepaid Facebook ad account to easily make payments using your Nigerian ATM card. Okay, so just like I said, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook ad account that you can easily use to make payments with any of your Nigerian ATM card. But before we go fully into this video, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this one. So as we all know, the problem that a lot of people face when they try to run Facebook ads is payments, and the issue is because most of the Nigerian ATM card do not accept direct payments on Facebook. And on this channel I've done a video to teach you how to make payments using your Nigerian ATM card with PayU and local card. But one of the biggest issues that a lot of people still face is that most of them do not have an ad account that displays either the PayU or the local card. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create a prepaid Facebook ad account that you can easily use to make payments with your Nigerian ATM card. So that being said, let's go into the video and I'm going to show you how to do this today. Okay guys, so just like I said, I'll be showing you how to create a prepaid Facebook ad account so that you can easily pay with your Naira ATM card anytime you want to. So but before I fully dive into that, a prepaid account and a postpaid account is what Facebook has. And now, what is a prepaid account? So now, prepaid accounts, also known as manual accounts, are one in which the payment method are done manually. So you have to pay upfront as your ad run. So it's the type that I do normally. What I do is I use a platform called PayU, which probably you know, to put the amount I want to use to run at a particular time. So Facebook charges me from that account I have added into my ad account, you understand? So but for the postpaid ad account, Facebook charges you automatically. So most people use this, especially people who use the dollar ad account. So what they do is that they run their ads for a particular period of time, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, then Facebook will automatically deduct that from their ATM card. So now there's a problem with this method that most Nigerians face, is that even after they have finished running ads, Facebook keeps deducting money from their ATM card and they don't know how to stop that, and most of them will be complaining that I don't want my account to be set like that. So that is why I'm doing this video, to show you how to set up a prepaid account where you put in the money you want to use to run ads for that particular time, and Facebook charges you from that particular amount. So now once I go over to this page, as you can see, this page is called the Meta Business Help Center by Facebook, and they say create an ad account setup for manual payments. So if you look at what they said here, if you want to use manual payment method like Paytm and others, they didn't put PayU here, but PayU is among them. So to pay for your Facebook ads, you can create an ad account setup for manual payment. So one thing you should know, if you are using the postpaid method on a certain ad account, you cannot change it to the prepaid, which is for you to pay manually, because that account has been created in a way to pay in the postpaid method. But now let me show you in this video how to create an ad account that will show you how to pay in Naira. This is a problem a lot of people have, and we are going to trash it in this video. So now just go to your business manager. As we all know, this link takes you to your business manager, which is business.facebook.com. So once it takes you here, it's going to bring you to a page like this. All you just have to do is click on this hamburger icon right here. Then you are going to see business settings. So just tap on the business settings. So this is where you handle a lot about your business. So now just come over to this point which says add account. So as you can see, I don't have any ad account on this new business manager I have created. So I'll just tap on add. Then you can see add an ad account, request access to an ad account, or create a new ad account. So what you are trying to do is create a new ad account for this business manager. So you click on the last one right here. Then now this is where you should focus on, because this is where will determine if your ad account is going to come out in a post-paid method or in a prepaid method. So what many people do is that they just come here and they just type in the name of the ad account and they just go and click on next without looking at changing the currency to Naira. You understand? Or what some people do that makes their account not to be prepaid is that they firstly start running ads through their app on their phone, either from their Facebook app, directly from their Facebook page, or from their Instagram app, directly from their Instagram account. And when you do that, you are automatically creating a postpaid account, which will be hard for you to pay with your Nigerian ATM card. So this is the right way to be able to generate an ad account that will create a method for you to pay with your Nigerian ATM card using the PayU or local card systems. So right now, just put in the name of the ad account. You can give it any name. So I'll just name it So now I'll come to this currency and I'll look for my currency, which is Naira. As you can see, NGN, Nigerian Naira. Then your time zone. Then your time zone should be the correct time zone of your country. So as you can see, you understand, Africa, Lagos. I'll click on next. Then I'll choose my business, because I'm creating this ad account for my business. If I was creating it for another client, then I'll choose another business. Then I'll click on create. So as you can see now, they are going to bring you to this page to give the Facebook account you want to manage this business manager access. So I'm giving this person access to everything on this ad account. So I'll just click on assign. Then right here, don't tap on this add payment info. Don't do that. You understand? Just close. And they say add payment info. They're showing you twice. Just exit. You understand? So now you are done. So now how do you know that your account has been created in the prepaid method? Just go over to billings. Once you tap on this hamburger icon, go to billing. Okay, so this is it here in the billing. So I've done a video on how to pay for your Facebook ads with your Nigerian ATM card, and this point is something similar to that, but I've done a full video and you can check for that full video on the description of this video. So now just click on payment settings, and as you can see, this point they said add payment method. Just tap on it, and as you can see, they will say you should confirm your information. Yes, it is correct. Nigerian Naira, Lagos. Then I'll click on next. Amazing. So amazing. So can you see we have the debit or credit card, which is the one most people have on their account. Some people do not have this second option, which is the Naira payment with MasterCard. Once you choose this method, you can always pay directly into your account with any Nigerian ATM card, be it Visa, MasterCard or Verve card. It is accepted in PayU. I've tried all of them. So as you can see, this is the simplest way to pay for your ads. So once you see this option, then your ad account is set up properly. You can pay as you go. Facebook will not be charging you as they charge you again automatically. But once you choose this first method and you add, they will tell you to add your ATM. You understand? They'll tell you store your ATM on the Facebook platform. And once you store your ATM on the Facebook platform, it is very, very possible that they can be debiting you. But with this PayU method, you are not storing anything. You understand? You can just, as you can see, click on next. They'll just tell you to go and make your payments. You understand? They'll ask you how much you want to add. You add up the amount you want to add to your ad account, and you just make your payment. So as you can see, they're telling you additional info needed. You should do all this VAT ID, all these tax stuff. Just click on skip. Then as you can see, they'll tell you to add the amount you want to add to your ad account. So this is very, very simple. My ad account has been set up in the prepaid way. I can pay directly what I want on Facebook without Facebook charging me unnecessarily from my account. So if you want to see how to fully make payment on Facebook, I have a link to that video on the description of this video. Just check it, tap on it, and watch how to pay for your Facebook ads with your Nigerian ATM card. So that is just how it works. So just follow this video and set up your own prepaid ad account. Okay guys, so that was it on how to create a prepaid Facebook ad account to easily make payments using any of your Nigerian ATM card, and I believe you got value from that session. So if you did and you are yet to subscribe to the channel, just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. So that being said, I'm going to see you on the next session. Take care and have